Hari Om, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. So this is a very simple topic if you think of how to write stories, but for techies maybe I can help a little, maybe assist a little. Out of you also many have become great writers, as we will see, so not that my presence is needed as much, but Arnabji requested and I could not say no, because some level of writing has existed and I have published a few, so thank you for the opportunity. So I am sure all of you are better writers, but maybe a little nudge here and there, it won't be bad. And thank you Srinidhi for coming, and thank you all of you for being here. So Ben Okri is a very famous African writer. Okay, so if you've read his books, he writes beautifully, and he talks about stories talking about the secret reservoir of our values. So the stories talk about our values. And what do values do? Values determine one's behavior. So in a story, whatever is talked in a story, the characters, how they behave, what they do, what their intentions are determined by, what is it determined by? Their belief system. And the belief system comes from what? Your philosophical आध्यात्मिक outlook, right? What आप क्या किसमें श्रद्धा रखते हैं, उसके अनुसार आपका प्रवर्तन होगा. And that will determine the story where it takes you, the ending, So the resolution of a life depends on how you behave, and how you behave comes from your behavior, which even Raji Malhotra ji talks about. I mean, they are not saying anything new. These are the people who have said it maybe in books very loudly, that belief determines behavior, your stories determine what you do and how you behave, and you change the story, it changes your value system, it changes you totally. So when Raji Malhotra ji talks about grand narrative of a country or a civilization, कि भारत का grand narrative क्या है, what is it based on? So I would like you all to use this particular session, which is going to be very short, and we can take a detailed one tomorrow perhaps, or I can check with you where you are at the end of the hour. If you are exhausted, we can just leave it at that. But I would urge you to consider what are the stories of this civilization, what are the stories of us today and here. What is it that you would, because I used to live in the US and it was very difficult to talk about language and culture to Americans sitting in the room. So they are taught already to, in a certain way, the Indic studies or India studies, what they call it, they have preconceived notions. Good or bad is our judgment, but they are taught something, and it is very difficult to disabuse them of that, because they are not practitioners, we are practitioners. So there is a difference in the story between the practitioners of Indian civilization and Sanatana Dharma versus what outsiders get it. They get it through academics or they get through wherever. So there is a large gap, and to bridge this, scholarly papers to bol sakte hain, but when you tell stories, it is easier to reach other person. And the stories can be of many ways. Itihasa Purana, of course we have, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Jataka, Panchatantra, ye sab hai. Stories are also local, folk, personal. So when you tell those stories, how you dress tells a story. How you wear your hair, how you, maybe offer flowers, everything tells a story, right? Let's take an example from the Ramayana and see if we change that story, that particular incident, what changes. Yeah? You can participate and you can tell me. So you change the story, change the values, and change the whole value system of the civilization, change the narrative only. One incident of Bhagavan Rama, Lord Rama, however you want to look at it, you have Shraddha, don't have Shraddha. Story is that his father says, one day before he says, aap yuvaraj ho. Next day he says, bhai jao jungle mein 14 saal ke liye, right? So what happens? Kaikeyi says, you had given me 2 boons. Dasharatha could have said, what man? Tab to rain check liya, abhi mat pucho. Kisne dekha? Nobody has seen. But what do we believe in? Shadi kaise karte hain hum log? Who is the witness? Do we sign Hindu marriage or Sanatana Dharma? It is not a signature, it is not a transaction. What is it? Panch Mahabhut. Who is the witness? Panch Mahabhut. So can Dasharatha say that किसी ने नहीं देखा, किसी ने नहीं सुना मैंने जो आपको दिया था वचन? He cannot say that because his belief system is what? किसी ने तो देखा है, पंच महाभूतों ने देखा है भाई. He cannot get away from it. And he doesn't play like, I am the king, who are you? Off with your head. Even though she is a favorite wife, he could have, Rama तो उनसे प्रिय है, कैकेयी प्रिय तो राम है, तभी तो वो बाद में उन्होंने त्याग दिया शरीर, अपना शरीर, है ना? So he could have said off with your head or be in the jail, इसको बंद कर दो कारागार में. He didn't do that because he owes her to fulfill that 2 boons, right? And she helped him in the war. हम सोचते हैं अबला नारी, अरे she was a warrior princess, she helped him, she saved him. सो डिड सत्यभामा, राइट, शी ऑल्सो सेव्ड हिम, तभी तो उन्होंने वर दिया कि 2 बून है आपके पास, रेन चेक बोला उन्होंने. तो नाउ ही कैन नॉट से, ही हैज टू कीप अप द वर्ड. she asks for it and he keeps it up because पंचमहाभूत उन्होंने देखा है. Then he has told his son that you are वो I think that पट्टाभिषेक भी हो चुका था युवराज का, जो भी होता है. He could have told his wife, ये सब मैंने ऑलरेडी कर दिया है, प्रजा ने देख लिया है, it is a done deal, you know, I've signed, like bureaucracy में I've signed the paper, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, because that happened. But he doesn't say that because he knows that if she's asking, she's true to her, you know, that boon is to be asked whenever. He said that जब तुम्हें चाहिए पूछ लेना. अब उन्होंने अपने मुंह से बोला है जब चाहिए पूछ लेना. There is no condition to that, right? She can ask when she wants. He didn't say जब राम जी को मैं युवराज बनाऊंगा उस दिन नहीं पूछना. She didn't say that, and there's no conditions. So she can definitely ask. Then Rama could have disobeyed. अरे पागल हो क्या? कल ही तो आपने मुझे बनाया. आजकल के बच्चे तो ऐसे ही बोलेंगे ना. Are you crazy? Yesterday you made me crown prince. What the hell? बोल सकते हैं. But ऐसे नहीं बोला उन्होंने, because of the value system. And I'll ask you what are the value systems after this. तो अच्छे से सुनना, questions पूछूंगी, ठीक है? And then he could have gone off in a huff and gotten very angry. Oh, she's a stepmother. No wonder. Finally, she's showing her true colors. इतना प्यार से मेरे से रहती थी. More than Bharata, she used to love me. Supposedly, look what she's done. That will be the modern story, right? कि she showed her true colors. Now I'm off. Like I'm going to fight with her and I'm going to talk about her to everybody. So everybody knows, you know, कितनी mean है, कितनी ये है, कितनी self-centered है. So Lakshmana could have said, nothing to do with me, bro. Like ठीक है, I love you and all, but जाओ, जंगल में मैं नहीं आने वाला, ठीक है? And Sita was like, मुझे तो किसी ने नहीं बोला जाने के लिए, मैं तो अबला नारी हूँ. And I'm the queen, I'm his wife. You know, I'm going to stay and enjoy. She didn't say that because nobody asked her to go. बल्कि बोलते कि मत जाओ. सारे बोलते कि मत जाओ. But she's like, नहीं, मैं तो जाऊँगी, right? So those are the value systems, and Kaushalya very happily could have picked a fight with Kaikeyi. Why are you doing this to my son? Right? Just because he's not your son and he showed your loves all these years. मुझसे ज़्यादा तो तुम पैम्पर करती थी उनको. What happened? What happened to all that love? She could have picked a fight, and she is the Patarani. She can do that. You know, Kaikeyi is more loved, but Kaushalya is the Patarani. She is older, senior in every which way. She could have fought, right? And जो लोग थे, they didn't say चलो revolution करते हैं. You know, let's bring down the king. You know, what is wrong with? Sorry, I shouldn't have done that. Let's bring down the king. You know, what kind of a king is he? एक दिन बोलते हैं युवराज बनाओ, दूसरे दिन बोलते हैं जंगल चले जाओ. This is not, you know, he's gone senile. He's gone, you know, let's get Rama, because they all loved him, you know, very much, more than they started liking. I mean, more than Dasharatha, they started liking Rama much more. So let's get him, you know, let's prevent him from going to the jungle. इन्हीं को ये तो कैसे भी युवराज है, तो हम इंसरेक्शन करते हैं, रेवोल्यूशन करते हैं, धरना करते हैं, you know, प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, प्लेकार्ड्स ले चलते हैं, चलो लेट्स मेक बैनर्स. Nobody did that. Now please tell me, with all this, what are the values that come across? As many bullet points if I can have as many value systems. What is a grand narrative? What are the values that we are expressing through this one incident? ऐसे एक incident में हम लोगों का पूरा छुपा हुआ है belief system. In every such incident in our Itihasa Purana, in every page, so much is coming through if we analyze it. If you look at everything as what if it was done differently, you will see what the narrative is very easily. तो इसमें से आपको कौन से आपको नजर आ रहे हैं जो हमारे वैल्यूज हैं, एथिक्स हैं? She's saying individual over community. How does it show that? Where does it show that?
I mean, thinking about themselves first than what's supposed to be done.
Okay. Okay. What else? बहुत फेमस कहावत है, रघुकुल रीत है ये, तो रघुकुल इंक्लूड्स दशरथ ऑल्सो ना, नॉट जस्ट राघवा, राइट? सो वन, प्राणजय पर वचनाजय इज वेरी क्लियर. सो व्हेन यू हैव दीज, मारवाड़ी में होता है ना, इंक्लूडिंग हवाला आई सपोज, बट द ट्रस्ट इन अ कम्युनिटी, वहां से कुछ लिख दिया, यहाँ से कुछ लिख दिया, एंड देन यू मेंटेन दैट. कुछ बॉन्ड नहीं है, कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, यू डोंट नीड टू हैव सो मेनी, यू नो, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. इट्स जस्ट लाइक वचन, जस्ट बात पे होता है. अभी मैं सूरत से आई थी, तो वहाँ पे वो लोग डायमंड इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बच्चों ने प्रेजेंट किया और यूनिवर्सिटी में, लाइक व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज, यू नो, द वैल्यू सिस्टम्स दैट मेक इट हैपन विद द डायमंड इंडस्ट्री और व्हाटएवर, राइट? एंड दे टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस जस्ट वर्ड बाय वर्ड, यू नो. सो प्राणजय पर वचनाजय. और क्या है इसमें? पितृभक्ति, भ्रातृभक्ति, पति भक्ति, मातृ प्रेम, सब कुछ, मातृ भक्ति भी है, प्रेम भी है, सब कुछ है. So about family, so in a sense what you're saying, but it is about the family. You are born in the brothers, wives, you know, stepmothers, literally. I mean, he loves his stepmother and he's not picking a fight with her. He's not saying why did you do this. And ultimately the people, they understand the stability of a nation depends on not constantly having dharnas. आप धरना करते रहोगे, आप प्रोटेस्ट करते रहोगे, आप प्रोडक्टिव काम कब करोगे? They had every reason to have dharna. These people also, they are not saying कि protest करके हम, you know, we are going to bring down the king. They show their protest how? They silently follow Rama. सारे उनको follow करते हैं, which is a protest of sorts, but they are not destabilizing the whole government, right? So it is a lot of, so they give value to stability, to ahimsa, to community, to the status quo. What's everybody इनके रामराज, दशरथ राज्य भी इतना ही अच्छा होगा, रामराज से maybe a little less, but definitely similar, right? So it's a prosperous nation, it's a prosperous kingdom, it is a stable kingdom. You need a stable family unit to make a stable community, to make a stable, you know, kingdom, king, neighboring. So stability से आप produce करोगे ना. आज अगर यहाँ पे safety नहीं है मेरे लिए, I won't be able to talk, you won't be able to sit, we won't be able to have a samvad. So you have to have safety first and prosperity so that you can afford, भाई यहाँ AC चल रहा है, बाहर गर्मी है. So you need, you know, even to light a lamp, to drink water, to wear what we are wearing, we need economic prosperity. So we need that dharma, artha, kama, सब कुछ चाहिए है ना. मोक्ष तो ultimately है इसका, it is a well, it is designed into the whole thing. So this is what, when the values change, the civilization changes. Yes. So with this imagery, knowing what we are knowing till now, what would you say, what would the caption for this be? What is the story for this image? हाँ तो क्या क्या है, कहानी क्या है इसकी, क्या बोलेंगे एक लाइन में, आप क्या बोलेंगे? Come on. Yes. So when you see something, that story talks to you, right? And the value systems talk to you. So when they say show, don't tell, you know, story में क्या है? When you write something, make it so expressive that you don't have to define it. So इसमें जो उनका valor है, courage है, his belief in the higher power or the इष्ट देवी जो तुलजा भवानी है, ये सब you don't have to talk about कि ऐसे 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 नहीं. आप एक imagery में, if you using visuals or in a line, you should be able to talk the story. If you know the values, you'll be able to do this. The whole point is storytelling for Indic IKS कैसे करोगे? You have to first educate yourself कि what is the core of that, what is the basis of that. If you know it, आप एक सेकंड में कैसे बोल दिया आपने जय भवानी जय शिवाजी? If somebody doesn't know who Shivaji is or Bhavani is, you wouldn't have been here. Or if you're not in Maharashtra, or if you're not been exposed to that, और आपने वो फिल्म नहीं देखी तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. So pop culture is also very useful sometimes. So for us, the story starts and ends in a higher power. कोई भी ऐसा शास्त्र नहीं है, भले ही वो केमिस्ट्री का हो, रसायन शास्त्र का हो या अर्थशास्त्र का हो या कुछ भी हो, हायर पावर. वी स्टार्टेड विद दीप प्रज्वलन. So there is no story, the narrative for us is, there is no story without the higher power. And as my Swamiji would say, and maybe he's taken it from other greats, so he'd say we don't believe in one God, we don't believe in many gods, we believe there is only God. So everything is sacred. तो हिरण्यकशिपु तो उसमें से स्तंभ में से भी निकल गए थे, है ना? So when we kick at something and we do something, we just do this. सब कुछ ही sacred है हमारे लिए. Sacred has become the social, right? It has been, the oneness is manifested as everything. So we believe there is only God, which includes everything and everybody, including myself. Sometimes we say everything included, अपने को छोड़ देते हैं. Then we are crying about why me, why am I like this? You know, I'm too thin, I'm too this, nobody likes me. वो सब आ जाता है. Sacred includes me also. If I'm saying everything is sacred, it includes me also, right? So that is our first narrative, sacredness of everything, and that is the basis of all our narratives. कुछ भी हम करते हैं ना, इसको छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. Actually हम छोड़ते नहीं हैं. In the traditional way of life, all of us have grown up with that. Like I said, कुछ गिरता है, नोट गिरता है, हम ऐसे करते हैं. Coins गिरता है, ऐसे करते हैं. पुस्तक तो नीचे रख ही नहीं सकते. आजकल खैर बच्चे रखते हैं, they kick there and you know the bags and all. We grew up, sorry, but I didn't mean to point at you, but we grew up not putting, you know, anything with laptops or books or anything that we study on the ground. पैर लगता है तो कर लेते हैं. So our grand narrative is about having the sacred at its core of everything. We are the sacred and everything is sacred, right? So that is very important to remember. And it is also about, what is this? शून्य. तो is it about शून्य? How is it? To explain to me, how is it about शून्य? शून्य को एक और word क्या बोल सकते हैं? What does this look like? गोला क्या है? बिंदु, बिंदु का एक और वर्ड क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको, डिस्क्राइब करें बिंदु। एक तो हम खाते हैं, वो क्या नाम है उसका? नहीं अन्न नहीं, गोल गोल क्या होता है? लड्डू। एंड वन मोर थिंग, लड्डू इज गोल एंड वन मोर थिंग जो 2D है, या 3D मत बोलो, 2D में क्या है? रोटी, पूरी। पूरी, पूरी कहां से आया वर्ड? पूर्णम। पूर्णम का अर्थ क्या है? कंप्लीट, कंप्लीट। सर्वान पूरयति पुरुषः। So purusha in colloquial language it means male now, but purusha is not only male. Sarvan puriti, that which is in us, which is complete, right? That's Satchitanand, right? And purishete, that which is in all of us, that is Purnam. So हम इसको zero देख सकते हैं, we can look at it as emptiness, but as you are more mathematical than I am, my knowledge is very little. आप जीरो को किसी के साथ लगाते हो तो it becomes a bigger quantity, right? So it's not emptiness, it's not शून्य the way we think it is, it's completeness. तो पूर्णम, completeness, and it's also about unity, oneness, because circle है, goal है. So अगर आप लड्डू देखें या पूरी देखें, हमने अपने भोजन में भी we have so many laddus. Have you seen laddu? I've seen it in South Asian cuisine, I think rice balls and all, but other than that we have so much of laddu ना. तो हम पूर्णम, we play with पूर्णम a lot. और जूड़ा जो है, आज ही मैंने कुछ देखा, sometimes reels are very useful. So it talked about how women had, you know, तीन प्लेट करते ना, तो 3 stands. They were like, oh, this is sattva rajas tamas, like wow. And then it is जीवा जगत ईश्वरा, like oh wonderful. उसको बंद करके फिर ब्रह्मन हो गया, ये पूर्णम हो गया, but it makes sense. Like you know, it is पूर्णम, गोला है ना. So I was like, well, lovely. So I'll use it in the talk. I thought it's really nice. So we believe in completeness and oneness. So that is another narrative. So another stemming from this sacred knowledge, right? So we believe in sanctity of everything, sacredness of everything, and the completeness, oneness of everything. And from the oneness emanates everything, the diversity. And diversity is not discrimination. So if somebody says वो अलग है, वो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अरे, for us it's not discrimination. Diversity is not discrimination because everything stems from this circle which is Purnam. And that sacredness, that entity, that completeness gives us what? Ananda. Satchidanand jo कहते हैं. We are of that nature, everything is sacred, we are also sacred, and that is Ananda, which is very different from the very fragmented world we see today, which we have also as Indians imbibed it, because we are studying in a particular system, we have certain peer groups, we have certain you know, we have not studied about us being sacred. घर में अगर है तो आया, नहीं तो नहीं आया. Or if you're studying music, dance, where it is emphasized. If you're studying the classical arts, कलरी पट्टू कर लो या कुछ भी classical arts कर रहे हो, it's emphasized. If you do bhajana, sangeeta, then it's emphasized. But otherwise, if you're going to regular school, regular neighborhood, playing your gully cricket, you know, watching Korean drama, which also I do also, Turkish drama. But ये सब करके मैं वो देखती हूँ तो मुझे समझ आता है कि that is that, this is us, and I enjoy both. But if you don't know who you are, of that Purnam, of that sacredness, then you can get carried away, which is also fine if the value system is same. But our value system speaks of, we'll come to that. So this is Ananda. We speak of Ananda in any which circumstance. कुछ भी हो जाए ना, your core is of Ananda because you have that sacred core, right? Satchidanand is you, Tattvamasi, right? So it is not just talk, it is reality. So that is the core. Something happens, we can distance ourselves by, ठीक है, it is happening to the body. Oh, this is my mind thinking like this. We can separate the mind and the body from the actual Atma, right? So that is the learning, and we don't have to learn Vedanta for that. This is enough because all of us knew. गाँव में लोगों को पता है. हाँ, they will say गाँव में जाओ, they will say what do they say? ईश्वर एक है. हाँ, आप में भी भगवान है, हम में भी भगवान है. So they are not confused about the reality or of our narrative. They are much more aware, more than us. And हम लोग इतना पढ़े लिखे हैं. The more we study academics, there is a danger of moving away from that core. So you will say, you are coming to IIT Kanpur and you are talking about story writing. हमें क्या लिखना है stories? ये सब तो आप लिखते होंगे ना? इसमें भी आपका vision आ सकता है of how you look at something. If you start from that sacred, if you offer a prayer, if you start from that sacred and you bring that out from within, you can come up, I mean all of them from Ramanujam to others, they credit Devi and they credit the higher powers for what their discoveries or inventions are. So you and all our ISRO के scientists जो तिरुपति या कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, जहाँ पे भी, they offer that gratitude to the higher power, right? So whether you write technical journals, whether you are in mathematics or pure sciences, it does not mean you don't do writing or storytelling. Storytelling is not fiction लिखना और एक novel publish करना. Storytelling is everyday. Storytelling is local. So we'll just glance through this. We don't have to go in detail, because I would want you, if you are wanting to write, I would urge you to look up certain links I will share with you. This is an event report, you know. How do you write an event report? How do you write something? So what are the various aspects, or let's say factors you mention in an event report? Who, what, where, when, how, right? All that has to come through. कहाँ पे हो रहा है, क्या है? These are simple things, but sometimes we might omit. For example, do you write Padma Shri first? Do you write Guru first? Do you write Doctor? Do I use diacritics for Padma Shri or not? वो लोग use नहीं करते हैं जो traditionally Padma Shri लिखते हैं, so we can't use it for that. Things like that, right? What is a story though? So abhi we discussed what should go in, what is our grand narrative, sacred everywhere, right? And dharma drishti, dharma hona chahiye. What is a story? When we say story, it can be oral, it can be written, it can be visual, right? It doesn't have to be. Mere time it was only story, it was only fiction that you write. And I used to find it very funny, because we grew up like that. We used to read English a lot. Story mein agar Indian names aata tha na, I used to say ha ha ha, because I used to find it very silly. English story में if somebody wrote Sita, apart from Ramayana or whatever, right? अगर कोई fiction लिख रहा है, like मैंने ही लिखा है, उसमें I have to have some Robert and Patrick and all, because I thought story in English has to have English people, like dogs have to have English names. तो मेरे पापा ने उसका नाम गुड्डी रखा, तो मुझे बड़ा silly लगा. मैंने कहा पापा what, he has to be Tommy or something. We ultimately named him Tiger, which is very silly, but he said Goody Amma, Goody, will keep him Goody because he's like the movie it seems. I'm like what Goody? तो ये तो हिंदी नाम हो गया ना. तो it's so much colonization that English में लिख रहे हैं, it has to have English characters, and if you're naming a dog it has to be an English name. Very ridiculous. But the story has to be both information and entertainment. Yes, it is infotainment. Yes, it has to entice you, it has to inform you. But this is most important. The stories we have told in India, Itihasa, Purana, whether it is Panchatantra, Hitopadesha, Jataka tales, whether it is any of the stories of the Puranas, what does it have underlying? It has dharma. एक धर्म दृष्टि होती है. And what is dharma? Duty, righteousness, उसके बहुत सारे definitions हैं. One of them is to do the right thing at the right time, or to be done actions. At any given point, there is only one, like there are three ways of course what you can do, and we'll come to that. But there is one action which is the absolute, how should I say, the most revered action for a particular situation. For example, if you're a mother and dharma sankat to hota hai, but if you're a mother and your child is sick and you need to go to office, I mean this is the easiest because she's a mother and a child is sick. So the dharma of that moment, even if she is in the office, then maybe she could be a very big shot and all that. Dharma would be bhai dharma sankat hai, but I'm looking after my child if she has nobody else, right? So these kind of things to be done, actions at the right time, right? And this dharma is always or ought to be in line with rita. Rita क्या है? Cosmic order. Cosmic order जिससे सूर्य भगवान, चंद्र भगवान, तारे, how are we standing, whatever forces you call, gravitational, electrical, magnetic, पूरा IIT कानपुर का पूरा यहाँ पे लिस्ट आ जाएगा. जो भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं ना, वो जो forces हैं सारे, उसको in line कौन रखता है? There's a cosmic order that is keeping it that way, right? Dharma is living our lives according to those orders. To not उसको भंग नहीं करना है. वो जो ऑर्डर्स चल रहे हैं ना, उनको भंग नहीं करना. तो दिनचर्या में उसी के अनुसार सूरज है तो साथ में उठो, साथ में सो, like just because electricity is there, don't binge watch like I do. So basically keep up the दिनचर्या, keep up the dharma, the order of living. And it's also not किसी और का धर्म उल्लंघन नहीं करना. Like ahimsa for us is not that okay, pacifist, I'm sitting and somebody is attacking, I don't fight back. You better fight back, otherwise he's going to take off with your head karega. We better do fight back. But the point is, we don't consciously break their dharma of living in an order. We don't consciously come in the way of their fulfilling themselves. Live and let be. We live our way. That was how we lived, and that's why we have people from all over. Armenian, Orthodox Christian से, Parsi से लेकर, Bahai से लेकर कितने लोग आए, right? Because we believe diversity is not discrimination, and everybody should be allowed to flourish because the sacred manifests in various ways. So our storytelling, and this is an article that one of my colleagues, Sai Priya, she writes a lot for us. She wrote, she's part of Brihat, and this is about our storytelling traditions which have influenced the West. So So यहाँ से जो गया कहानी का चर्चा यहाँ से whatever went to the west and science also went, mathematics as you know went. So Arabic numeral नाम कैसे आया, west गया, Iran, Iraq, then it goes to Greece and Rome, right? That is the way that it flowed, information. So stories also influence, Kalila Dimna करके है, Persian story है, then you have Aesop's fables or Grimm's fairy tales, all these, and you might say हर चीज में फिर बोलते कि भारत ने influence किया, अरे हमने किया, हम क्या करें? We have influenced everybody, ठीक है? So but then we should know where we have influence. We can't just say ये भी था, वो भी था, सब था, हमने किया. Actually हमने किया, but it's good to know कहाँ पे किया, कैसे किया, so that we are not accused of just being very like you know foolishly nationalistic. हमने किया because education के लिए भी यहीं आते थे. No, Southeast Asia से भी आते थे. But if it's good to know the names and the dates of कौन कब आया, so that if somebody says ऐसे ही बोलते हो, we can have some like you do references, citations. We should have primary sources क्या है and all that, right? So this will talk about how stories will and stories heal us. They transform us, they heal us, they provide solutions to our problems. धर्म संकट जब दिखाते हैं महाभारत में, it is not for any other reason but to showcase in a very beautiful manner, in a very सौंदर्य बोधा manner, aesthetic manner. अरे ऐसा भी है वैसा भी, अब क्या करेगी कुंती? She is unmarried and she was curious like any teenage girl would be कि will this mantra be effective? हम भी सोचते ना इतने बार मैं जब अच्छा मेरे बचपन में क्या था कि 7 या 14 वर्ष अगर आप सत्य बोलेंगे सोचेंगे और करेंगे तो आप जो बोलोगे हो जाएगा. So I used to count, you know, second year of truth, third. So I think I failed in the third and 3.5 or something year. You know, I was like 12 something I started. By the time I'm in teenage, white lies बहुत हो गए. टाइम पे क्यों नहीं सही, मम्मा सोई थी. Then I knew, oh, that was a lie. I didn't sleep right on time. So apparently if you tell the truth for 7 years, जो आप बोलते वो होता है. 7 or 14, I forget, whatever the number, right? So it is healing. It shows you with examples how to live your life, right? All the Dharam Sankats show you. So this is also a story, I won't go into how, but very quickly, I was writing a series of stories on the sun temples. Multan, Modhera, Martan, सारे टूट गए अभी, Konark. One of the living temples is Arsavalli, which is in Andhra Pradesh, which is a living sun temple, and the other one is in Tamil Nadu. 2 living temples only of Surya Bhagwan. So Arsavalli का story Raghav Garu जो हमारे founder हैं उन्होंने पढ़ा and he liked it, and social media में then we got to know each other, and so stories can also give you employment. That's what I want to say. So, and they got definitely employment and more, right? IIT, IIM graduates, so आप जैसे लोग जो बहुत बड़े exams लिख के यहाँ से कठिनाई से admit हुए, but then they gave it all up to become writers, right? And it could be you, if you are interested in writing, you could definitely write, right? With these elements. And if it's IKS, you have to know the art and craft of writing and the mechanics, of course, grammar, writing, ये सब चाहिए, but also the dharma drishti. To have that sacred as your core, the higher power as your guide, and to know that everything should be aligned to dharma and that diversity is not discriminated. Few things if you keep in mind, that can be your angle with which you go into, and Ananda is the core of everything. Consciousness से हम लोग निकलते हैं. We talk of consciousness and everything emanating from that. We don't talk of materiality. I hope physics वाले यहाँ पे नहीं हैं तो बोलेंगे कि क्या बोल रहे हो. But for us it's the consciousness first and then the material. We don't talk of consciousness as an epiphenomenon of material. So that is the main difference from the Western ideology or even physics, let's say. And when you're reading something and you want to imbibe from it, because the more you listen, the better you speak, the more you read, the better you write. हाँ, तो आपका अभ्यास कैसे होना चाहिए? आप अगर लिखना चाहते हैं ना, खूब पढ़िए, vast and deep. And then when you're writing, don't keep reading, then it'll distract you. But you have to read a lot to come to a point where you start writing. And you have to listen a lot where you come to a point of speaking well, right? So that is important. So when you're reading, make sure, is this traditional? Is this in line with Indic vision? And is it Sanatana Dharma? And once you know, you can change it. You can change once you know what the actuality is, right? Otherwise, you will get the wrong idea. जैसे कर्ण का बहुत discussion चल रहा था. Yes, and even Ravan. Yes, Ravan was a very Shiv Tandav स्तोत्र लिखा उन्होंने. कर्ण भी बहुत generous था, दानवीर सूर्य कर्ण. Yes, but then he was, when Draupadi was humiliated, he didn't say a word, and Ravan ended up abducting and assaulting so many women. So would that make a person, just because they are learned, would that make them a moral person? Not really. So you have to take the core. It can be Kritibasa में अलग हो सकता है, तुलसी में अलग हो सकता है, वाल्मीकि में अलग हो सकता है. But when you're taking, और मुल्ला रामायण में अलग हो सकता है. But when you're taking something, don't miss out the actual वो archetype क्या depict कर रहा है. So बेचारा कर्ण का, it is a sad thing because he was the very, how should I say, in a sense right person, the wrong place and the wrong time, and his decisions were very wrong, right? But he had everything going for him. He was probably better than Arjuna in some ways, right? But his decisions and his moral, ambiguity or in his choices really put him down. So be sure that you know what is what before you write historical fiction, for example. So, and some knowledge of Sanskritam would be essential, or even your own mother tongue. संस्कृतम नहीं तो एटलीस्ट मदर टंग, बिकॉज हमारी मातृभाषाओं में संस्कृत से बहुत सारे शब्द आए हैं जिसमें वो पूंजी है, हमारा जो धरोहर है, सांस्कृतिक धरोहर, उसमें है, उन शब्दों में है पुण्य, पापा, पुनर्जन्मा, कर्मा, धर्म, कर्तव्य, ऋण, ये पंचमहाभूत आप लोगों ने बोला. दीज कंटेन द कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन द कोर वैल्यूज, मे बी फिलोसॉफिकल नगेट्स ऑफ हाउ वी थिंक, व्हाट वी थिंक इन द वर्ड्स इटसेल्फ. एज यू सी आजकल ये वर्ड्स निकल रहे हैं. मेरे बचपन में सपोज अ बॉय लाइक द गर्ल एंड द गर्ल डिडंट लाइक हिम बैक, मेरे साथ हुआ है ये, तो वो एज आई एम गोइंग फॉर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर बोलेगा कोई बात नहीं अगले जन्म में देख लेंगे. तो दे वोंट कम एंड फाइट विद यू एंड थ्रो एसिड ऑन यू, नहीं, अगले जन्म में, मतलब चांस है बेचारे का ना, वो ट्राई कर रहा है कि अगले जन्म में देख लेंगे. ठीक है, मैं भी हंस के निकल गई, मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है अगले जन्म का बहुत टाइम है अभी, है ना, बिकॉज यू आर यंग, अगले जन्म का, मैं तो 60 की भी नहीं हुई अभी. सो दैट इज अ लॉन्ग वे ऑफ, राइट, बट विच इज अ नाइस वे. इट गिव्स यू फ्रीडम, उसको भी फ्रीडम दे रहा है, ही डजंट फील नेग्लेक्टेड, मुझे भी फ्रीडम दे रहा है कि भाई दूर रह रहा है, कुछ तंग नहीं कर रहा, मतलब एक्सेप्ट फॉर दैट डायलॉग विच इज फनी एनीवेज, राइट. वो अभी शब्द निकल गए हैं. आपको पहले सिनेमा में दिखता था कि 7 जन्म तक साथ रहेंगे, आपने कहीं रिसेंट मूवीज में देखा है 7 जन्म तक साथ? गाना होते थे पहले 7 जन्म का साथ, अब गाने नहीं हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. What is the concept? It's moved to something else, and we'll come to that also. So Purana, for example, has an idea in it, which is Puravanava, which is, it is old yet new. It is constantly contemporary, right? So it is not the colloquial Purana ki Purana hai ki old hai. It's old yet new. That concept of being eternal, that is by Sanatana Dharma. So these concepts are lost if we don't know these words and values, right, of what they contain. So these are very important for us. So why is this relevant, the IKS vision? The sacred core, because of course that tells you who your, what your self is, तत्वमसि. पर आप कहोगे यार मुझे वेदांता नहीं करना है, मैं IIT कानपुर इसलिए नहीं आई कि मुझे सेल्फ देखना है, otherwise I would have gone to the Himalayas. ठीक है, good point, fair point. It is also bringing peace and harmony in the world. अगर आप अपने आप में संतुष्ट हो, आप संतुष्ट हो, then people around you are also very happy. If you are a non-demanding person, constantly whining कि ये क्या यार, कितनी गर्मी है यार, ये अच्छा नहीं है यार, मेरे को ऐसे खाना अच्छा नहीं लगा, ये अच्छा नहीं, constantly whining. ये टीचर ने मुझे 1 मार्क कम दे दिया यार, what nonsense यार, वो बात करती रहती है. मतलब some people find so many ways, and that can be another story in itself, right? But if you are a happy person, there is a lot of peace and harmony in the world, right? So IKS में जब आनंद आप देखते हो कि मैं आनंद स्वरूप हूँ, then you make others happy. And it also teaches you, let's say मुझे वो भी नहीं करना, आनंद स्वरूप में भी नहीं जाना, that's too deep for me. It will teach you how to have, if you take up any classical arts, whether it's dance, music, kalaripattu, yoga, ध्यान, कुछ भी आप ले लो, it will teach you. और प्रवचन सुन लो या प्रवचन सीखो बताना, you know, you start doing that. हरि कथा सीखो कैसे बोलना है. It will teach you a proper और गुरुकुल चले जाओ, एक आचार विचार आ जाता है, एक साधना. So through that sadhana you can raise yourself to be that person, a better person, जो self actualization बोलते हैं. आप self realization मत बोलो, you can talk of self actualization, right? You can flower, एक परिपक्वता आ जाएगी आप में, right? So that will make the world a better place to live. And then you won't have this whole tension of, so my Swami, one of the Swami would say, constantly there is this hurty guilty mentality, you know, why me, why me, why me, सब मतलब the whole world is out to get me, right? That is one. Then guilty is, अरे मैंने उसको ऐसे बोल दिया, मतलब I have a sharp tongue, I have said this and I feel guilty immediately. You know, I shouldn't have done that, I shouldn't have done this. So एक तो एक guilty वाला, I shouldn't have, कई लोग होते हैं guilty, कई लोग होते हैं hurty, why me, why me, why me, ठीक है. उस बीच में the actual me तो कहीं दिखना नहीं है, you know, the actual me is lost. The actual me is of Ananda Swarupa, that is lost. So that guilt and hurt constantly overrides everything, and that makes you this oppressor and oppressed. या तो मैं oppress कर रही हूँ किसी को, या तो वो oppressed हो रहा है. तो oppressed हो रहा है तो I don't have pity because I feel so weak. She's getting oppressed like a doormat. All these words कहाँ से आए? Like doormat and this and that. पत्नी कोई रोटी बना के दे रही है. When I was in State Department, there was a Telugu. We had to teach Telugu language and culture. I was teaching that. So my student, who was a white lady, a foreign service officer, she took offense because वो जो essay था उसमें था that the patni is cooking hot rotis for the husband जो अभी office से आया है. Yes, Kavita, this day, this age, how can you have such a discriminatory paragraph? So I said, what is discriminatory about this? Why is she making rotis? He can make rotis for her as she's coming back from office. मैंने कहा हो सकता है. Right now it is this, and traditionally यहाँ पे इंडिया में ladies बनाते थे. She is going into the whole social justice of it to learn. तेलुगु सीख रही है. Objective क्या है? तेलुगु सीखना. but she's brought in a whole social justice angle to the story which has nothing to do with what her goal and stated goal and purpose in life is. So ये narratives जो है, fault lines जो हैं, हम लोग ढूंढ के निकालेंगे ना, उसके कोई solution नहीं रहेगा. You will just end up hurting yourself and others. If there is a solution, yes, talk of solutions. We should look at solutions. But when there are no solutions, not to have, looking at dharma is the answer, and not to have this one life, one mentality, na, FOMO YOLO. Fear of missing out कब होता है? I am already 22 and I guess I'll be old by the time I'm 52. So I have only 30 years to do everything I want to do. So that everything is on my phone. सोशल मीडिया में, फेसबुक में, इंस्टा में, ये और सब जगह रील्स बन रहे हैं. कोई कहाँ जा रहा है, हाफलोंग बे जा रहा है, हालोंग आई थिंक, नॉट हाफलोंग, हाफलोंग इज इन लोअर असम, हालोंग बे जा रहा है, कोई यहाँ जा रहा है, कोई वहाँ जा रहा है, कोई क्रूज जा रहा है. किसी ने मम्मी को ये वाला वॉच प्रेजेंट किया, किसी ने पापा को वो वाला ये प्रेजेंट किया. मेरे पास तो पैसे नहीं है, मैं क्या करूँ, चोरी कर लूँ, डकैती कर लूँ. So there is so much pressure in students or among youth nowadays because of the world at your fingertips and so many desires, so many objects, so much to acquire, and there is no time. Because we look at time as what? Nowadays, calendar time, right? We look at calendar time, we look at physical time, there is also psychological time, there is also timelessness. So even in our adhyatmikata, there is no time. Time is a creation of that sacred. है ना? So this realization that it is cyclic, that there is other janma, and of course as Kavita there is only one life, this roop, and maybe not, maybe in the repetition of cyclical there might be other Kavitas who talk like this and maybe give a different narrative, I don't know, हो सकता है. वो बना था ना movie कुछ layers वाला, I forget, I से आता है नाम उसका, something, हाँ, Inception. So okay, Inception. So the karma model, so another area that we should focus on for Dharma Drishti is when people in the West or anybody nowadays in India, because India is the West now because we've all imbibed it thoroughly. So karma is not fatalism, because West में मैंने बहुत सुना, it's all karma. It's become very fashionable, like they say inshallah now, everything is inshallah. वैसे ही it's all karma. कई लोग बेचारे उनको पता नहीं होता है बोल देते हैं, but karma is not fatalism, right? Karma is action. जो कर्म है it literally means action. तो वो fatalism कैसे हो गया, है ना? And action can be of 3 types. किसी ने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा तो मैंने बोला यार दूसरा भी मार दे, नहीं मैं तो नहीं बोलूंगी, ठीक है, तो मैंने उल्टा मार दिया, that is one, ठीक है. और otherwise I don't hit anybody at all. I can be a संत महात्मा, जो संत महात्मा will be like इसने मुझे क्यों मारा, 2-step reaction होता है पीछे जाके, they will not react immediately, they'll go back and they'll be like she is annoyed, she is angry, she needs more meditation, she is acting out. They don't have body identification, they're not going to hit back. Or the alternative is maybe I show my other side, or I could get into samvada. भाई तूने मुझे क्यों मारा? अगर friend है, कुछ हुआ है क्या? Why are you hitting me, right? I think most of us would come in that category. Friend has hit you, you're like, अरे तू ठीक है ना? Why are you hitting me? कुछ चाहिए, right? 3 ways of reacting to every situation. There is no way you can say I had no choice. How many choices you have? At every second, how many choices? 3. That's a lot of choices. A probability देखो, you are mathematicians. मेरी math उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So you have 3 way of looking at everything and so many stories. Now you see where the storytelling comes from. Why did a person choose that particular choice at that particular time? So go back to that incident of Rama is being asked to go on an exile. So each bullet point I said can have 3 resolutions, and then those 3 can have 3 other, each bullet point, right? Then you can make that combination and you can make your own, don't call it Ramayana, call it something else, right? You can make your own story, right? So these tiny day-to-day actions, when you observe, you can make up your own story, and that is what storytelling is. And it has to definitely have adherence to dharma. It has to have some, we have no story, no itihasa purana, nothing without some end में moral of the story. तो हम बचपन में मैं और मेरी बहन वो भी लिखती है, हम समझते थे कि स्टोरी का अर्थ है ये कि there has to be a moral. So we used to write end में moral of the story. I think all of us have done that, right? And उसे moral नहीं तो हमें लगता था ये क्या है? Like for example, when I used to watch music videos by the West, MTV मेरे टाइम में start हुआ था. गाने सुनने में तो बढ़िया होते थे, some of them, right? But the video was so senseless. हमने कहा कुछ कहानी नहीं है, कुछ तो दिखा रहा है, एक कान दिखाएगा, या कुछ दिखाएगा, एक some black and white, some nonsense. I'm like supposedly like modern art, right? I mean, I should not say nonsense because there's some people who can find meaning in it. I could not find any meaning in it. For me, meaning has to be some sense of, and what is the moral ultimately? So the difference we have with art or pop culture or anything that we tell is we are full of depth and meaning. Layers होते हैं हमारे, symbolism होगा, एक आध्यात्मिक meaning होगा, एक social meaning होगा, एक so we have to literally go into it and use our brains to understand. So it is very intellectual also, it's very emotionally satisfying, it's psychologically healing. There are all these layers in our Itihasa Purana, and महाभारत से बढ़कर तो कुछ कहानी है नहीं, है ना? So if you could and if you wanted to, if this is something of interest because you are here, I am hoping it's not just because Arnab ji ne bulaya hai, I hope it's some personal interest also, then if you could write about the story of your coming to this seminar. For example, you can say, अरे it was a hot day, 43 degrees Celsius and rising, and then Arnab ji का mail आया, अब जाना पड़ेगा नहीं तो यार marks and all ना, it's very difficult, so I have to show up. No, it can be a story, it can be a fun story, right? Then I have to show up and plus I'm assisting him or plus I'm his colleague. क्या सोचेगा, अगली बार मैं बुलाऊंगा तो नहीं आएगा तो मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. हाँ जाएंगे लेकिन चाय भी नहीं होगी, समोसा भी नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा यार, पीछे बैठता हूँ, हाँ पीछे बैठता हूँ, या पीछे बैठता हूँ, and then maybe I'll catch the recording, I'll get up in the middle and go and I can tell him यार कॉल आ गया था. So it is such a lovely story, right? मेरे को खुद ही अच्छा लग रहा है सुनने में, right? And then she was so boring. She thought she was funny, but she was literally very boring. And you don't have to say boring. You can be very polite and say she was not very interesting. You know, she went on and on. She was talking about US stories. She went on about कौन सुनेगा personal. I have better stories than hers. Here is my story. What is she thinking? And she shows up in a sari. It's so like bhenji. So many things you can talk about, right? So you can show कि भाई आपकी सोच क्या है, कि आप सोचते हो कि साड़ी पहनने वाले बहनजी होते हैं. Yeah, you can say what the youngsters think, right? आजकल के बच्चे जैसे सोचते हैं. So you can take any angle, right? You can take any, and then they had to do diya. Why do they have to put diya for everything? It's a fire hazard, which USA it is. You can't even light indoors. पता है? One thing I'm glad I came back for is we can put diya wherever we want. ठीक है. So then storytelling is not just about writing it. It's also about talking. प्रवचन जैसे होगा या कुछ भी आप कथाकार हैं. We have so many kathakars, right? Yakshagana is a form of storytelling. It is also films, which is a medium of all these together, 64 arts together. It is also about reviewing it. If somebody watches a movie and if you want to suggest कि देखो या ना देखो, you have to critique it. So everybody is a film critic because your friends will ask you, should we watch this movie or not? सभी अपने अपने में, आजकल तो सभी हैं क्योंकि WhatsApp भी है. You know, we have to show कि हमने movie देखी है, हमें कुछ बोलना पड़ता है reels में, तो ये सब बहुत pressure है आजकल. So you have to speak at every point. You have to show. You have to speak. You have to put photos, right? All of us have that pressure in some degree or the other. So here I'm assuming everybody is going to be a film critic. Hey, already. How do you judge a film? Now I've talked about all these, and it's also storytelling. I've talked about sacrality of everything. I've talked of dharma drishti. I've talked of diversity not being discrimination. I've talked of all the non-translatables. I've talked of all the Sanskrit जो philosophical nuggets हैं. So when you take all that and then you put it in your lens to watch a film, you will find a different answer. This Telugu film, for example, was made very well. It is made by a young director called Vivek Atre. बहुत अच्छी बनाई है. So it looks fabulous. And the songs were amazing. It is made beautifully. It was a big hit in among the audience, youngsters especially, because same old देख के थक गए थे, and it was made very like snazzy and with a zing and whatever you call it, vibes थे बहुत, हाँ जो भी बोलते हैं आजकल. तो सब कुछ था. But when I looked at it, it didn't pass a lot of my dharmika test, because when they are taking two different, like the girl's family and the boy's family, it was very distorted in the lens they used for both the families and the communities. So one community was looked at with a lot of generosity and excuses, the other was not, other was literally called like oppressor or whatever. So there is a lot of imbalance in what they're showing. So I wrote about it. This is written by me and a colleague of mine in Brihat. So the lens we used was dharmika lens. So you may not agree with me, but it will be a good exercise if you have the time. Bore हो रहे हो तो subtitle में मिलता है ये सब आजकल. Ante Sundarani की is on Prime, I think Netflix or Prime. Watch it with subtitles before reading my review, and then think of where it fails and where it passes, right? And then read our review. It will be a good exercise if you have that kind of time, right? So any writings you have among you, if you are writers, please write with Dharma Drishti IKS angle and please send us. We are happy to publish it as long as वो IKS parameters को pass करता है. So but yeah, please we'll be happy to publish. And few building blocks of writing and then I'll stop. So we know all this, but for people who want to make a note, obviously who, what, where, when, why is very important. यहाँ पे when did this happen? If you want to write about today, when, where, what, how was the impact on overall audience? People were yawning, people were coughing, they were getting bored, fidgeting. Use adjectives, use adjectives. And if you used one adjective in one sentence in that para, please do not use it again. Don't. Even if you have to, don't. Find a synonym. सब कुछ online मिलता है आजकल. So explore how to write. What are the new learnings? अगर आज आपने कुछ सीखा नया, कि नहीं सीखा तो वो भी लिखो. I went there expecting something very unique. But you could say, just to be polite to me or just to make me happy, it reinforced some of my already existing knowledge, which means भाई तूने कुछ नया नहीं बोला, ठीक है? और कुछ नया सीखा है तो बोलो क्या सीखा, So anything you're writing about, what is the new learning you're getting, right? And how does it further dharma drishti? That is very important for a IKS angle writing. And what are the offshoots? इससे क्या हुआ? Let's say from this audience, Srinidhi writes another short story, or you end up writing something, you do a comic book, or you do a podcast, or you can write a novel or a research paper. कुछ भी हो सकता है. You write what you were saying, रामायण में इतना लंबा क्यों करा? एक चैप्टर में हो जाना चाहिए, लिखो. I'll be very happy to read it. ठीक है? And endorsements. You talk to people and say how did you like it, just general बात. ऐसे नहीं कि माइक के साथ कोई बताता नहीं है फिर सच. Have cafe 78 या 98 कुछ है ना, वहाँ पे जाके बैठो, पकोड़े खाओ, बोलो यार कैसा था तेरे को, कैसा लगा टॉक, पूरा सच निकल जाएगा. ठीक है? So then you write about that. So this person said this, ऐसे करके. Then you link to resources and obviously fact check. All of you are writing papers, so I don't have to tell you about all this. But one thing I must tell you is when you're writing about events and reports, you have to learn how to address the people. So we don't have to do Mr. Mrs. We can do Shri, Shrimati. We can do Kumari, or do you know the full form of, you probably know, Chila Sau. लोग लिखते हैं ना चीला सौ, नहीं? हाँ, so पहले मैं सोचती पापा ऐसे क्यों लिखते, छी छी कविता, CHI होता था, CHI कविता, डियर छी कविता, मतलब छी क्यों बुलाते मुझे, हाँ? So चिरंजीवी है, चिरंजीवी, सौभाग्यवती, चिरंजीवी, ऐसे, ठीक है? So our kind of addressing people and seniority, कि चीफ गेस्ट का नाम पहले, बाकियों का. So all those things are important. You can also glean a lot from people's social media post. So अगर आप फैक्ट चेक कर रहे हो, आपको इमीडिएटली विकीपीडिया में जाने का टाइम नहीं है और वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है, जस्ट गो टू द सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट, गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम दैट. सो आजकल बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. Two things, I think all of you know it if you're doing management stuff. One is KISS principle, one is sandwich principle, right? Sandwich is you praise, you criticize the hell out of the person and then you praise. तो उसको समझ नहीं आया कि मैं खुश रहूँ कि बस रोऊँ, है ना? क्योंकि you start with, अरे यार आपने बहुत अच्छा टॉक दिया था, it was very nice on storytelling. बीच में कहना पर इतना लंबा क्यों था? You could have said the same thing in 5 minutes, and then you ended with पर बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was so good, people were laughing. ठीक है, they could be laughing for whatever reason, right? They could be laughing at me, but you ended with they were laughing. So you sandwich it, ठीक है? And then whatever you do when you're taking a story, historical fiction लिख रहे हैं, कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं, whatever angle you give, please do not take the IKS lens away. Keep that एक चीज हमेशा होनी चाहिए, आपके glasses होने चाहिए IKS lens. And then okay, flow वगैरह ठीक है. The important thing is in our Shastra, whenever they write, apart from keeping the sacred in the center and core of everything, Anubandha Chatushraya is very important. Vishaya, Adhikari, Sambandha, Prayojana. So I start with Vishaya because I have remembered it as WASP. Vishaya, Adhikari, Sambandha, Prayojana. Right? तो वो आपको कभी भूलेगा नहीं, WASP याद रख लो, ठीक है? So what is the subject? What are you choosing? है ना? Because I will say मुझे इस पे भी लिखना है, उस पे भी लिखना है. Recently a young boy got in touch from Vivekananda Global University. बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने काम किया. We went for a conference there. He wrote saying, मैडम हमें ना NGO स्टार्ट करना है. मैंने कहा अच्छा भाई किस में करना है, थोड़ा हेल्प चाहिए. मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, किस पे करना है? We are thinking education, but we'll also bring in health. But we are very very deeply interested in environmentalism, and we want to bring in. मैंने कहा एक चीज करो यार, अभी तो स्टार्ट भी नहीं हो, you are not even registered the name, you haven't thought of the name. You can't do everything. Think of the विषय you want to focus on. Fiction है, non-fiction है, topic क्या है, किसके लिए है, अधिकारी कौन है, audience कौन है, किसके लिए लिख रहे हो आप? आप फिजिक्स पे लिख सकते हो, बट आप रिचर्ड फेनमैन नहीं हो. आप अगर बच्चों के लिए लिख रहे हो या कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लिख रहे हो, know your audience, right? So you want to write for physics, write it. I can also write without a background, but I can write, let's say, for बच्चा लोग. Then I have to make a comic book of maybe definitions of physics from Indian perspective. हमारे जो physicists थे, we can do that, right? So अधिकारी कौन है? Always know who your audience is. संबंधा क्या है? What is the connection between what is your topic and your, let's say, the mode of telling, storytelling. If it's for children, make an illustrated book. If it's for adults, make a deep novel, story or a novel out of it. And prayojana, ultimately what do you plan to achieve by it? What is your prayojana? कोई भी हमारे जो पहले के शास्त्री थे, they never started any work without prayer to the deities or their ishta, and they never started it first of all without understanding what is the Vishya, who is the Adhikari, what is the Sambandha and Prayojana. If you want to start something, लिखना आरंभ करना चाहते हैं, प्रवचन या पॉडकास्ट आरंभ करना चाहते हैं, कोई भी काम, please apply this formula in your day-to-day work. And if you go to Swales and Feek, which is they are the people who've written about writing. When you study writing in humanities, they have written this thick book. आप उनको Google कर सकते हो, बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने exercises दिए हैं to be a better writer. You can read them, and I had studied them in university in the US. तो देखिए यहाँ पे ये audience बोलते हैं, that is the अधिकारी. Purpose बोलते हैं, that is the प्रयोजना. ये style flow संबंधा हो गया. विषय में भी positioning और presentation हो गया, ठीक है? So they also talk about the same things. And then this is the KISS principle, keep it simple, SAM बोलते हैं ना, जो sandwich principle हो गया, ये KISS principle. This is a real story, this is from this book, real story. During the Second World War, there was a memo going on among bureaucrats of Washington DC, ठीक है? और वहाँ क्या था, raids हो रहे थे, air raids, काम जारी करना था buildings में, because they were building the building or whatever. So some bureaucrat wrote this, which was very convoluted, right, if you can read it. Then Roosevelt ने कहा, जो president था, भाई इतना मत बोलो, just tell them, cover the windows and do your work. All they had to say was this, but they went on, talking like that, right? So Americans actually known to be very, very effective in their communication now, because they keep it very simple. Maybe probably it's not just Roosevelt, they have other influences, but this is one example where we need not be very, like Naipaul writes very in a simple sentence, he packs a lot. So we need not write like bombastic words to be taken seriously as a writer. Keep it simple, make it effective, and state your facts. These are some of, like Arnabji was saying, some of the books I have had anthologies like my stories in, and Srinidhi here is a co-writer for Shared Roots. It is about India-Cambodia connection. मेरा travelogue है उसमें. I had gone with my mother to Angkor Wat, उसके बारे में. Okay, 3-4 more slides and I'll stop. I'm almost done. So storytelling, these are all, because आप लोग सब scientist types हैं, very like difficult to please if you don't have like what is the source, right? So I have all these sources telling you what is the use of storytelling, right? It is transformative, it is healing, and it solves problems. So these are all the sources जो बताता है आपको कि आपको heal करेगा, it will help you integrate your memories, make you cohesive in yourself, and solve your problems from within, and then whatever you've experienced, if you're gone through trauma, then it will help you separate yourself from it. Resilience बढ़ता है, ये सब बताता है. So healing कैसे करता है? It organizes your memory and it enables emotional release. वो तो हम सबको पता है. We watch a movie and then we feel. Sir can share the PDF with all of you. I have no copyrights on it. Please आराम से use कर लेना. If it helps any one of you also, I'm very happy. So don't worry about, you can take pictures, you're welcome, but you'll have the PDF also. Huh? So it'll help you. Suppose identity reconstruction is when they are victims of a particular, some kind of a trauma. You can rewrite your story. It really helps. You can talk of a different ending for yourself, right? And this is transformation through archetypes, through different symbolisms. So psychologically there's a lot of transmission, So isolation कम करता है, community को बढ़ाता है. So all these things help through storytelling. So it is not just healing, it is not just transformative, and of course there is imagination. That's why now there is a person called Jonathan Haidt. आप लोगों ने सुना है? HAIDT. Jonathan Haidt. He's written this book called The Anxious Generation. Please read it. He's also a TED speaker, and he talks about now that how, and the West is now talking about it. We've kind of moved on and we're just doing reels. The more you read, the more you write physically, it really helps. The brains is helped, and emotionally, psychologically helps. So lot of reading is very essential. And problem solving. इसमें भी काफी सारे हैं. You can, writers, scientists who've proven all this. So yeah, mental stimulation, complex lessons. जैसे पंचतंत्र है. उसके stories में देखिए, so long ago they came up with strategy, diplomacy, everything. In what? Through animal voices. We anthropomorphized it and we came up with such a brilliant example of how to teach governance to youngsters, right? 4 prince थे, उनको विष्णु शर्मा ने सिखाया. So this is probably the last slide for this section. If there is interest, we can do one more session tomorrow. Maybe we can go into more detail, or we can do an interactive, like, maybe a in-house writing session. We'll see whatever there is an interest for. But what you could do, like I said, if you write your own, whatever you write, please share it with us when it is ready. So you have to sleep on it. ये नहीं कि आज लिख दिया, कविता ने पूछा, कल भेज देती हूँ, तो I'll be published. नहीं, please sleep on it. Please rewrite it. Please make sure it's full of facts, do your fact checking, you know, make it interesting. Nobody wants, there's such a glut of podcasts and writings and सब कोई self express कर रहा है. So how is yours different? So if it does not adhere to the WASP, you know, प्रयोजना अगर नहीं है उसका, उसमें कुछ fun element नहीं है या interesting नहीं है, कुछ new information नहीं है, it is not beautifully written, then obviously there's no point. So आप कुछ लिख रहे हैं तो make it unique in your own way. Everybody has their voice, yes, but your voice can be just with you. You don't have to share it if it's not interesting for other people. So if it has a lesson, if it is interesting, please do share. And what are your stories? Stories can be Itihasa Purana, it can also be folk tales, family tales, like I had this IIT family tale, right? And IIT ka tale tha. Forget my family. I was walking back from IKS center today in the hot sun. 1 बजे lunch के लिए मैं guest house जा रही थी. As I was walking on the footpath, one man came, he stopped his cycle कर रहे थे, सर ढका हुआ था, वो धोती के ऊपर वाला जो होता है, he was in a pajama kurta I think, जो everybody has because it's so hot. वहाँ पे एक शिवलिंग है छोटा सा in the substation ना, he went, जो चप्पल उतारे, निकाले, ऐसे इतनी भक्ति से उन्होंने प्रणाम किया, immediately went back, wore his chappal and cycled away. It has literally for me, it is going to be my memory of IIT Kanpur. Nothing else, everything else of course, I have not forgotten the project, everything else, but it is so iconic because मेरे स्वामी जी बोलते हैं कि नॉर्थ में बहुत भक्ति है. In the south we do a lot of rituals, we follow because not so many invasions, we have continued to keep जैसे होता था पहले से, which is also necessary, you know, you have to have that acharam and all that. But Swamiji would say the bhakti that is in the north is something like we can learn from one another, right? And for me it was very beautiful moment. Like इतनी भक्ति, like he is literally not doing it for anybody. कोई रील के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोई फोटोग्राफ के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, किसी बच्चे को भी एग्जाम्पल वृद्ध व्यवहारा नहीं कर रहे हैं. He is just on his own. घर जा रहे होंगे, भोजन के लिए कहीं जा रहे होंगे, he just नमस्कार करके ऐसे 3 बार किया, फिर निकल पड़े. So that is also a story. So think of the stories you've heard, where you heard them, how you heard them. Have they healed you? Have they transformed you? Have they solved problems for you? And then when you write your own, whatever you write will have all these elements. That's about it. The next section is all about IKS. I'll stop here. I don't know if I've taken longer than necessary. So thank you so much. Hari Om. Thank you.